How to add multiple material to objects in Unreal Engine 5. First, I delete this one, and I select Modeling. And now I select Box, and I drag to here and rotation it. And next, I will select Attributes, and select Edit Material, and I drag it down, and here, Material, I select one of material. I drag it up and select Shading Blue. And now I will click Upsize Edit Material, and I click this button and select one of face and click here and add to material. And now I will select this one and select the shaping green, upsize Edit Material. And here you can see we have some slash edit, so you can use them to see what their function do. Yeah, so I will do it again, and I select one of face and click here and add material, and click here, select the shading red, assign Edit Material. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.